So magandang araw mga kapatid, at andito na naman tayo sa Ama Lakas. Ama Lakas, Ama Malakas Ka. Ba't ko ba ginagawa to? Kasi naniniwala ako na ang healthy family ang kailangan para magkaroon ng healthy nation. At kung walang healthy, leading, loving father that leads their wife and disciple their children, it's nearly impossible na mangyayari yan. So kung may kilala kang tatay, may kilala kang young men, o any men na need marinig ito, like and share mo na ang video na to. So without further ado, ang lesson natin today is a good husband is a leader. You cannot be a good husband if you are not leading. Napaka-importante nito mga kapatid. So what is our biblical foundation? 1 Corinthians 11 verse 3. The head of every man is Christ, and the head of woman is man, and the head of Christ is God. So very clear sa scriptures that the man is the head of the woman. So the man should be led by Christ, and by that lead his wife. So kung sinabi ng Bible yon, napaka-importante nun. So as a husband, we are called to lead our wives. So how does that look like? What are the principles of leadership sa pagiging husband? So the first one is that leadership is not lordship. Hindi ibig sabihin nito is para kang lord sa asawa mo na halika mo ang aking mga kamay, para kang hari, diktador. No, that is not what leadership means. Leadership here in the context of being a husband is what Jesus modeled, and it is called servant leadership. Sabi ni Jesus, akala niyo ba na ang gusto ng Diyos tayo ay maging Lord over the people? But we are called to serve. The best leaders are the best servants. So when we lead, we start by serving our wives. Okay? And Jesus modeled that. Even he is like the head of the apostles, but he served the apostles. He teach them. He helped them grow. He washed their feet. So that is what we are called to do. Not lordship, but servant leadership. So that's the first principle. Second principle is, as a good husband, you are leading, you have to be proactive and not passive. Think about this. Si Adan sa si Eva. Kinakain na pala ni Eva yung prutas na pinagbabawal. Katabi niya lang si Adan, walang ginawa si Adan. He was very passive. Ano nangyari? Parehas pa silang naloko ng kaaway. And today, it's still the